Hello everyone, good day. Today I'm teaching you to use the Wi-Fi control of our new air-cooled press generation 3. First you connect the power there and then open the power here. Open the power and you will see the control panel in Chinese. And then you will find that there is a very small green word here. It's an IP address. Now it's 255.255.255. It means now you cannot find the Wi-Fi control. You need to wait a while, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. The first, I teach you how to use the button to control the machine first. And the first, you can see this is in Chinese. And here is 4 button. This one red button is for release the pressure. Release stop. This is start. This to the function selection. Press it is to confirm. Press it and turn left and turn right is to select the function. And here is the operation. In Chinese name is this one. And press it, you will find the language. We change it to English and press it to confirm. So we're back. So we select the top temperature to set the splicing temperature 180 and press it, confirm. The bottom temperature 180, confirm it. Pressure we set 2 bar. Confirm it. The cooling temperature. This will usually 65, no problem. And we have another function is the preheat. Preheat, you can turn on it at 160. Preheat pressure. You can see the 1.2 bar, no problem. Preheat dual time 1 minute or 2 minutes, no problem. This is for splicing dual time. You can set 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It depends on your belt. So okay, you press the green. So we now start it. And if you want to stop, press this one and stop. And this is for the release the pressure. Introduction for the Wi-Fi. Yeah. Now we can see we had to wait for 5 minutes. So you can see here the IP address is changed. If the IP address shows 192.168.121, it means you can find the Wi-Fi now. Get to your mobile and open your setting function and find the Wi-Fi. You will find lots of Wi-Fi, and this machine Wi-Fi is our Holo 2037. 2037 is the model number. You can see 2037. So we found this Holo 2037, and its password is in big words HOL O E O H O L O. Holo in big. Now it's okay. Connect. Then open your browser and type the website is 192 168 121. So now we go. Now okay. The account is H O L O. This is in small. HOLO. Holo. Okay, then you can find the control panel. The first is running. You can see the machine running here in this side. And the second is repeat. Repeat you can let me introduce later. This is contact no problem. And there is a setting function. The setting function here we can show you this. The belt type you can test like P. If you join the PVC 1mm thickness belt, you can type 1 PVC 1, no problem, 1.0. It means we usually use this PVC 1.0. It means PVC 1mm thickness, and you can set the pressure here. Set the pressure here. So complete setting in this panel, and there is a preheat function. If you don't need it, just turn off. And here is a stone recipe. Click it and it showed successful. Then you will find in here you can see the PVC. And if you join to the second different belt, like PO 1.2 thickness, with that is you can type it directly. The function, no, the pressure we use 1.2 maybe. We don't need a preheat, so you can stone repeat. Successful. And shoot 2. So next time if you want to join PVC 1mm belt, you can select it and load. Load. Yeah. Then okay. So the setting will change to the the setting before you set for the PVC 1mm belt. If you next time want to join the PU 1.2 thickness belt, load it. Okay. And it will change to the setting you set before. So this is the recipe and the setting. And here we can go. Okay. We select one. We select one and run. Okay, you will find it's running, and there is a same function. Stop. It will be stopped. run. And you also can see the running in here. It will show you how the machine works, same as this one. This two is same, and this is for the temperature. And you can see here is cooking time. So that's it. We stopped it. If you want to open the machine, you also need to release the pressure first. And next step is I can show you in this function. Here is a string line. Click it and you will find that here is a language. We now only have Chinese and English, so save it. So first, when you load in your mobile, maybe it's in Chinese, so here, string line, language, English. It will change to English. Here is another, it's for the recipe is same, the language is same, and here long out, no problem. User manager. Here is a user manager function. Is you can have one user manager, and then the second person is user. The user manager can charge the user. This one I think is no problem. Report. You can see the every cooking here. You can view it. You can see this one. It's a report. Loading. So that's same. This is the report function. And here is end to home screen. You choose Wi-Fi. It will teach you how to end to the home screen. You can see here. Follow it. We select. Here, this one. End it. So you will find here.